Morning from AZT 41, and I had to get my water out of a mud puddle last night. So double filtered, aquamirrored it, and it tastes like dirt. But yeah, mud puddle, camped in the woods over there. Beautiful morning. It's about 6:30. It's cold. It says it's high 30s. It feels like 30s. The ground feels frozen. It's hard. But the mud puddle didn't have ice, so I think it's just high 30s, low 40s. Thankfully not windy. Could be some snow Friday, and temps in the 20s, high 20s are predicted for Flagstaff. So I am using my Zolio to contact Donnie to see if I can get a room Friday night and try to get more miles today and get into Flagstaff Friday instead of Saturday and get out of here, because right now it's beautiful. What a beautiful day. You never know. It's gonna be miserable Friday. Oh, so owl last night, coyotes last night, coyotes at sunrise. I mean, howling, you don't see them, but they're out in the woods. Pretty cool. So this trail is a little trail to the water. So I just camped down there, and then I'll connect back up with the trail in a minute. There's a sign up there, and I'll get going. Yeah. So that water down there is called Dave's Tank, in very far distance, way down there. But I found a nice puddle on the road that didn't look like it had any cows in it, so I used that instead. So I changed chocolate milk to wine, not wine, not wine, but I didn't have to walk far. The length of this video is as far as I had to walk to get to it. So there's a sign over there for the trail. You can see. It's really windy, so I'll just show you pictures. This is the Coconino Forest. Woo! Woo. Oh, there's a break in the wind. I just got a leader from a water cache at a trailhead. Very, very thankful. Oh, so day 41 continues. This pond has leopard frogs. Oh, he went away. Anyway, they're endangered, but I got to see one. They're green, but now they're swimming. So, I don't see them anymore. This is where we got some water. And they're very well camouflaged. Oh, there's one. He just jumped. Oh, there's another one. Here you go. I'll let you get to see the guy. He's right there. There he is. Hello. Hello, sir. Oh, there's one hiding. Right there, next to him. Very well camouflaged. So cool. It's a good spot for them to live. Morgan and Rory just left. They're gonna give me a ride tomorrow, and I just gotta leave the water until the next spot. Change of plans. I smell smoke. It's one change. I smell smoke. So there is a fire somewhere. I don't know that I see smoke yet, but there's definitely fire somewhere. I saw an old fire, like an ashy area a minute ago, but it wasn't smoking. But the smoke is getting, the farther I hike, the stronger it's getting. So I know they're doing prescribed burns in some parts of the forest, so it could be just that. But it's really windy, so I don't know why they would do that on purpose today. So the other change of plans is there's a snowstorm coming. So Rory and Morgan, aka Kermit and Captain, I've been hiking with off and on, leapfrogging them last couple of nights, and they caught up to me this morning and said they're going to get off trail tomorrow and they would give me a ride into Flagstaff because they live there, even though they're hiking the trail. And I accepted that ride. So tomorrow, so that campground is about 30 miles from where I'm walking right now. So I get there tomorrow afternoon and they'd come and get me to my hotel. So I called Donnie and he's arranged for a hotel. This is very concerning because it's so windy out. I guess I'm concerned, and I don't have access to the news, but I don't see any flames. I can just smell it. Like I'm like at a bonfire. It's what it smells like. Anyway, that's my update. The trail is beautiful right now. It is a huge ponderosa pine, healthy appearing. A very nice duff walkway. The rocks have gone away for a little while. And yeah, just hope I don't walk into any kind of a fire. There's a bunch of roads coming up that I'm gonna cross, so we'll see what happens in the next few miles, if there's any information about it. But I'm getting closer to, oh, nothing over there. Getting closer to Mormon Lake. I'm about 10 miles from Mormon Lake area, which is, there's a place called Navajo Springs where I'm planning to camp. Unless I have a ton of energy and I want to keep going 4 more miles to Double Springs Campground, which would get me that much closer to Lakeview Campground. As long as these feet keep pumping out miles. Oh, so much excitement. So many things can change day to day. So yeah, update. Getting off trail. Gonna be off trail Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But while I'm in Flagstaff, if the weather improves enough, I could do some slack packing around the trail in Flagstaff from my hotel and still get some miles in on the Arizona Trail proper. So I'm planning to do that, unless the weather's ridiculous and you can't. I don't know. Yeah, so exciting. So many things happening. So my goal today is to not walk into a forest fire. It's a good goal.